best known and most beloved famous artist of all time is Paul Cézanne, and I got a lot of requests from members of my Artistry Academy of Painting for Photographers to offer a class for turning photos into paintings in his style. And I'm happy to announce the class is now available in the Artistry Academy. My intention was to show aspects of his style not to be copied, but to be studied for ideas for members to develop their own styles. The class videos have step-by-step instructions for painting outdoor portraits, abstract portrait backgrounds, and landscapes. And you're seeing the paintings that are covered in the class. Also included with the class is a Cézanne study guide PDF with examples of his paintings and explanations of his style. I created 15 custom brushes for Painter and 14 for Photoshop to help you cut to the chase to get the Cézanne effects, including his hallmark parallel strokes. This is a sample of the brushes in Painter. And this is a look at the brushes in Photoshop. As you can see, the brushes provide pretty similar results in both software programs. These brushes are included with your membership, so you can choose to learn Painter or Photoshop or both in the Artistry Academy. The Artistry Academy now has 110 videos and counting, tons of brushes and study guides to help you to paint based on your photos. Click the link below and join us. See you in class.